Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Shenagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor, and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about why it's so important to wash rice before cooking. Sometimes we just skip this step, like okay, rice is there, we are in hurry up, we are going to some office, or we are in very much hurry to cook. We just open the packet and we just put the rice in the pan. But have you ever noticed, like when this kind of rice, when you cook, they becomes very clumsy, not clean, and it turn out very sticky. So in today's video we are going to talk about why washing of rice is very important and how it can improve the taste, texture and flavor of the rice if we cook it in a specific way, and the preparation of cooking should be done in a specific way, step by step. In Ayurveda, a lot of importance has been given to the fact how we are eating food on the diet aspect, because according to Ayurveda, food is medicine, and Ayurveda pays a lot of attention in cleaning of food and cooking in a specific way. So in this video we are focusing only in cleaning. When we are saying wash rice, that doesn't mean just open the packet and wash rice. You also need to see whether this contains some stones, or it contains some some husk or something. So husk should be removed, stones should be removed, though these days everything is coming to be packed, well packed. Even it is a whole grain food, natural food, organic food, everything is packed, and these cleaning processes are being done earlier. So people think no need to wash them because it's already packed, already washed, so we should put directly for cooking. But no, you should take the desired amount of rice that you want to cook, and then you should wash it. There is a specific way of washing, like you take rice, like let's suppose you have take rice in one big bowl, and now or in big flask you take rice and then pour water into it and then soak it for 2 minutes, and then with your hands just rub the rice like this. Between these two hands rub all the rice just like this, and then you will see whole water, the water that you have put in the rice, it will turn out to be white, totally white. This is starch of rice, which creates problem in digestion, and it makes rice heavy to digest, and its texture also doesn't turn out to be beautiful after cooking, and they becomes very clumpy, like these big bowls here. They are not like separate very well cooked rice. So now what you do, you rinse the water. Like once you do this process, you rinse the water, again take water, again wash rice in a specific way, like I mentioned you, like this, rub the rice very well, and again you will see the starch will stay, again the water will become little white, again rinse the water, again take water, and again you will see now the water will turn out to be clear, no more starch left in the rice. Now this kind of rice you just soak for 15 minutes before cooking in more fresh water. Just soak them for 15 minutes or half hour before cooking, and then cook these rice. Whether if you are cooking in open pan, you can cook over there. If you are cooking in some cooker, pressure cooker, there also you can cook. Ayurveda recommends open pan mostly. If it any kind of pan it should be, or if you are very lacking in time, you can use pressure cooker also, because at least you are eating fresh rather than eating some old food. So the thing is, now you cook, after cooking you will see these rice will turn out to be more tasty, more easy to digest, and more beautiful in looking. The texture will be more beautiful once you see, and they will become very light, and once you eat such kind of rice, your stomach feel very good. So this is the one mistake that most of the people, at least the people from modern generation, are doing. The people from old generation, when they were cooking, they were very well aware about this cleaning, washing, but as everything is modernizing, we are forgetting these small little things which makes huge difference in our life and in our cooking. So I hope you will try this hack, and you can tell me how rice are being cooked after washing like this. As I recommend in most of my videos, please try to have organic rice that is more healthy. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. If you have any questions, please write down those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.